Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about customizing your lock screen on your Android device, whether it's a Google Pixel or a Samsung Galaxy phone. In today's tutorial, it should be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up your phone settings, so select the little gear icon, and you want to select Network and Internet. Go down and select Mobile Network Security. And then where it says set a screen lock, go ahead and select set screen lock. At this point, go ahead and customize or change what you want your lock screen to reflect. So whether you want to have a swipe pattern, if you want to have a pattern password unlock, if you want to enter in a PIN, you can select that option as well. And then finally, you also have the option to go about setting up this as a traditional password. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.